Yo, what up YouTube yaks? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, so let's just move this out the way. So we're just gonna push this over to the side, get that over here, put this one in stock, like so. Move the other mouse that I normally have right here over here, and let's get to actual unboxing right here. So if you guys don't know, I had purchased something from NZXT from Amazon, and Amazon fucked up my order. If y'all don't know, basically I purchased the NZXT Signal 4K 30. Amazon gave me a 4K 30, but inside the box it wasn't a 4K 30. It was actually a HD 60 and had the same serial number but different model number. I sent it good. This is why you guys should always, when you do unboxings, always make videos of your unboxings like that. Get you started off with YouTube, and this is also a good proof of purchase when you unbox stuff and things like that happen. So at no further ado, you already know what to do. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Yes, the shirts is coming out. It just gotta take me some time. I'm a busy man. I have a lot to do, so trying to get those shirts out. It's coming. It's coming, okay? It's coming. That's what she said. Okay. Let's get this out. There we go. Signal 4K. Okay. Is there any? Yes, there is. Make sure we got the latch. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Okay. I have to put the serial number in it just in case. Okay, we get this. We get the little box with the seal, and let's check the model number. Okay, Signal 4K. There we go. We got the correct model number. Okay. HDMI, USB Type-C. Okay. That's everything in the box right there. And yeah, that's the Signal 4K right there. Throw that back in here. Okay. HDMI, USB Type-C. And here's the little puck right there. Holy F. Alright guys, this is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker. Only Use Me Tomahawks. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.